In front of me is Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. Following that, tap on microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select this gear one instead. Tap on voice typing and use gray switcher to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on no visible microphone. Following that, select while using the app and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can simply stop talking or click on the same microphone icon again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!